Hi, this is Marcus de Maria here, and I'm standing just off stage at Weekend with the Masters, and I wanted to say a big thank you to all of you for coming and spending 2 days at this amazing event and really making sure that your personal development goes through the roof. And as you remember, what I covered was the investment part, investing in stocks, shares, precious resources, assets that have a chance of going up and won't go to zero, like, for example, some stocks. Remember, we're looking for 3% a month on our trading, and we're looking to also invest our money. Remember, there were 5 strategies that we went through. We went through price cost averaging, where we put the same amount of money in every single month, no matter whether it goes up or down, in order to get an average price. Price cost averaging, totally automated. You're looking at around 5% a year. Next, we talked about a really clever and intelligent strategy, taking just 10 minutes a month, which is, of course, our great friend, value cost averaging. You have to learn how to do this. This changes people's lives. Value cost averaging is just adapting, just being clever about that 10 minutes a month. Putting in a little bit more money in the month that it's down, a little bit less money in the month that it's up. But remember, we are not timing the market. This is time in the market, getting an average price, which is going to be lower than the price cost averaging, the first strategy that we talked about. And we're looking at 15% a month on the value cost averaging. Remember, next we talked about the buy-sell zones. Because when we're not timing the market, remember that sometimes we're buying up here. Yes, we're buying down there, but we're buying up there as well. Why? Because we're not trying to time the market. Well, in the buy-sell zones, it's kind of the sweet spot between not timing the market and timing the market, investing and trading. So what we're looking to do here is no longer buy at the top, because I'm sure some of you in the audience thought, but why do I want to buy at the top? That's because you are starting to time the market, okay? At that stage, we're still not doing it. With the buy-sell zones, remember, we're only buying at the bottom and we are selling near the top. Which brings us on to, of course, the trading. The trading is the buffalo. Remember, bulls go up, and what goes down? The bears. What goes sideways? Remember, it's the buffalo. I hope you remember that. The buffalo goes sideways, and we're looking at 3% a month. We're looking to buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Wait for it to come down, buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Wait for it to come down. And as you get more used to it and a little bit more advanced, we will start, remember what it's called? Making money when markets go down. That's right, selling short. Remember, we can make money when markets go up, but also when markets go down as well. And these are the 5 strategies that we want to make sure that you master so that you can take your finances to a whole nother level. And remember, we talked about leaving a legacy for our children and our children's children. Because I asked you the question, I said, wouldn't it have been great if somebody would have left you a large chunk of money because they would have done this for you? And everyone said yes. So my suggestion for you, my question to you is, why not do this for your family? Why not be the person that starts investing and or trading for 3% a month and building up that foundational freedom in terms of finances for them and yourself as well? And we're going to do this in a 2-day workshop. Remember, it's very important that it's a workshop, not a seminar. We have very limited numbers so that everybody gets that real almost one-on-one training there. We're going to have, therefore, small groups with proven strategies that you've seen with a computer each. We're going to be placing trades during the course, buying, selling short, buying back, and making sure that you practice, 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 and practice again. And remember that, I asked the graduates that are making the money already to stand up. And just now, we interviewed a few people, and some of them are on track to making 100% a year. You know, one of them is making 6 to 8% a month regularly. Another one has made 26 or was it 36% already in just a few short months. And these are just normal people who came on the course and learned what to do. And remember, the best thing about the way we do it is the follow-up support to ensure that you're going to get the same results as these people here if you're the kind of person that is willing to put in the time and effort. And that's what we always say, you know. We say, this is for people who just want that chance, that say, look, I just want something, but I want it to work. Well, my friends, this works. These are proven strategies which will be taught in a small group environment, a computer each, with follow-up support. And that will get you the consistent profits. And I made you a phenomenal offer on the day. Remember, we said for the first 17 people. So make sure, I don't know how it works, maybe there's a telephone number or somebody that you need to call at Success Kids to find out whether there's still some places available. I believe that there are, but not many, and maybe some other dates as well, potentially. In the new year, maybe even, that you can take advantage of. Remember, there are payment plans as well. So listen, we're going to do everything that we can to make sure that you get this life-changing information and leave a legacy for you and your family. This is Marcus de Maria. Thank you so much for coming on the 2-day workshop, and I hope to see you there.